In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix overheating while gaming in your OPPO Reno 15. So actually this issue may have a lot of issues and a lot of questions behind that, but actually the first thing that we can do is to close background applications that we do have, as I can see, recent tasks while gaming. So for example, if you have Spotify, photos, or maybe some heavy applications like Instagram or TikTok here, just open these recent applications and tap close all. Close. I don't know why Instagram doesn't want to close, but oh, now we are here. Just close all the background applications and everything should be fine. If it isn't fine, you need to go even further. If you play games with any protective case on this device, just remove this case. As you can see, this phone is very beautiful without the case, so you can just play games on such a beautiful phone without any case, and this should increase the heating dissipation. So I think that this will be nice for your device. Apart from that, what I do really think is that you need to scroll down here and lower the brightness level of your screen. Of course, to the level where you are comfortable with it. You don't really need to use this level of brightness while gaming. Just set the brightness level up to your own needs and disable while gaming this automatic brightness level. It's because this may be just bad for your device while gaming. It's because if you are outside, for example, the brightness level is maximum and the power consumption is very, very high. So try to avoid that. Apart from that, if you go to the settings in your device and here scroll down to the battery, over here you can find a lot of cool things like balance mode, power saving mode, and high performance mode. If you have here high performance mode, here turn on. If you do have here this enabled, tap balance mode and disable this high performance mode, because it yes, I know it boosts the performance, I know, but meantime it increases the battery heat, device heat, and the battery consumption. So just try to play on the balance mode. If you don't play these esport games like Call of Duty Mobile or some PUBG on anything like that, I don't know actually much about games, just leave it on the high performance mode, but only if you don't really care about the heat, which I prefer to however focus on that. And apart from that, avoid playing games while charging your device. If your device is discharged, just leave it without the case, let it charge, and then just play. Playing while charging is really, really destructive to your device. If you don't have this bypass charging enabled, and if your phone doesn't support that, it's just terrible for your battery, terrible for your device, terrible for everything. So just try to change that. Change this habit. I know that this is actually very comfortable. So where you just plug your device to your keyboard, to your charger, and the performance is better, and the battery doesn't fall off, decrease. So yes, I know that this is comfortable, but try avoiding that. And actually that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.